Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to generate a drop-down list control in MVC using HTML helpers. Just open a project, web application project. So write down that name, give web list, select that empty MVC. So okay. Let's create one controller. Let's write down home controller. Add a view. Just right click and click add view. Add. Just create one table. Right click and table where you will get the data just like a city ID, integer, city name, make a primary key city ID identification, just write down the name cities. Just add some data. Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur. This was city I had. Now we are going to create entity data model. Just right click, add new item, ad.entity model. Just select that one and write down city data model, press enter and select that entity framework designer from database. This new connection, just write down the connection. Let's enter that one. Let's go password A123 and select the database. Okay. Let's select the table. That's it. Cities. Just click finish and it will generate that entity framework data model. Just wait for a while. Just create one model class model, that is a city model. Just add that parameter integer city ID and the string city name. So we have created one class model, that is a city model. This one is generated. Just save it and we'll check that one what's the name of that entity. Just go here, open this one. We check that okay, this one is the product entities. So now we will go in home controller. We'll write that. We'll add that namespace. We create one list. for this one city model. List of city model. That will be this one dot cities. Select new city model. City ID is equal to list of city dot city ID. And city name is equal to list of city dot city names. Let me get to list. Okay. So now here we will pass new city model. This one. So first you create the object of that entity data models, that is a product UV entities, this one. So you, because here you want to bind that data into list of city model, so here you use that one object for cities. That city was the table name. Now we'll go to the index.cshtml. Here you will write that model and fully qualified namespace, this one dot city model. This one is the class. So here we write city. Now we are going to use HTML helper dot drop down list for here we'll write model. Lambda expression is model dot city ID. And for that we will create here, it's a view back, that is a view back dot cities equal to this one. So this view back I will use in that index.cshtml. So here we will write that one new select list. Now here view back, that view back dot cities that field name like a city ID and city name. City ID, this one is the value, and city name, that will be a text. Let's run the application and let's see. See, now you can see here all those city names coming. But first option, just like here it's showing that one Bangalore, but I want to write here that select city. So how you will do that? So just make a comma or write here select city. Just rerun again. See here, first value is a select city. Now make it a little bit looks good, so we'll use that class this new HTML attributes. So here you will use that class is going to form control. Let's see how it's look like. See, it's looking good. Bangalore, then Chennai, then now I'll add some more record. Mysore, Gurgaon. Just refresh that and see that this value is coming now. See, Mysore is coming now, Gurgaon is coming. Let's we'll check once again what we have done till now. First we have created that controller, and then we have created one table in database. After that we have create one model, and we have bind that one, that entity data list, to that list of city model, and we added into view back.cities, and this list is that city model, that list of city model. We already had data. Just see, because here it's data is coming from the database. Now that index.html we have added that model, and after that we are using that HTML helper, that is html.dropdownlist for. So model that city ID and new select list. This one is very important, because once you will use this one for that drop down list, this data, and then select city. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.